Hello everybody, this is C4 Explorer, and I have arrived at my next location. This is a spot that I've been to once. Well, actually twice, I think. I explored it with Explorer NC a few years ago, and didn't do a video on it. He and I visited a lot of places down around here, and he hasn't really been active in a while on videos, but anyways, he's got a pretty cool channel though. So give a quick shout out to him before I even introduce this location. I am in an abandoned mall. This one's been abandoned for a while, I think about since the 90s. This is the old Regency Mall in North Georgia. Relatively, I guess, pretty well-known location. It's been around for a while. As you can see, it's like all the stores are gutted. They took out all the stores and everything. I believe up ahead was our POE. I found a slightly less creative way to get in here, so they don't really make it easy. So yeah, I'm not sure how long I'm going to spend in here. Did I say that already? I don't think there's any people in here. I just got in from Macon, Georgia. Look at that sunbeam. That's cool. Of course, those of you my Deep South viewers know that they got a lot of snow down here. According to my dad in Florida, he said it's like 39 degrees. It rained all night. And Macon got about, I guess about a couple of inches. Which, that's like I say, in Missouri, we don't even put our boots on until it's over 6 inches. But down here in mid-Georgia, a lot of folks aren't used to this kind of thing. Roads were pretty bare. I didn't see any major accidents or anything. And when I say bare, I mean like free of traffic. I think a lot of people have gone with the common sense adage that if you don't know how to drive and don't need to be anywhere, don't. Like, stay at home, I think I've seen like one road shut down near here, and I'm not sure if it was a wreck or just a slowdown. I know big rigs are probably having some troubles, getting around. And found an elevator. That's cool. Still got the carpet in it. Permit on file. So where's the little buttons? There y'all go. You want to see that? Yeah, I hope y'all stay safe. Oh, yay, we found signage. Found a freight elevator here. There was one of these. Yeah, a little mall map. There was one of these where somebody like changed the sign. It was really funny. I don't even remember what it was now. I'd have to. I'm sure I took a pic of it somewhere. Telephone equipment room. This is really one of my first malls. This might actually be my first completely dead mall. But anyway, I'm just like flapping my lips. You know, that's how we roll, though. You know, we check out some bandos, just kind of chat. What I was saying was I hope all you Middle Georgianites will be okay, be safe. You know, and I'm gonna be heading back up to home today. I got about 4 locations on my list. Yeah, this rock wall wasn't here before. I think this building has been partially demolished. So I remember the last time I was here, we let's look outside here. Whoops. Oh, there's the camera. Okay. So you can see the snow on the ground. Check out the tiles on the floor. I don't know why. I mean, this place is so intimidating to me, but you know, it's really. I mean, it's a pretty nice little location. Like I said, it's nothing in the way of, you know, fully stocked and stores and wheelchairs and, you know, happy little elves that draw you a map and give you more ideas on locations. Because let's face it, that doesn't usually happen. But yeah, you know, it's kind of neat. We got something. What is that over there? That looked like a hook, like a massive cargo hook. I was like, there's no way in hell that's what that is. This almost looks like a. Oh, it's just pipes, leaking pipes. Got some water running here from the. I would assume that's the sprinkler riser, fire suppression systems. Barrel. Oops. And I pulled up, and I started hearing this bizarre sound. I kind of recognized it. I started hearing this sound, and I realized that it was a rooster. That sign is over here. Busted door mechanism. Yeah, this here you can see it says. I know I hate calling out locations, guys, but you know, this one you're not coming in here and stealing a bunch of stuff. I mean, there's unless you like, you know, rocks and you know whatever, just the random detritus laying around. And like I said, it's a relatively known location. Stairwell back there, and I think we got one right over here. Pretty cool looking stairwell too. Nope, not that. I don't hear anything except for like the traffic noise. Look at that. I like that staircase. Pretty much a typical what you would find in a mall. You know. I kind of want to climb up on the roof and check out like the boiler and the chiller rooms and stuff, but I don't know that I will. Oh, let's see, we got somebody's camo jacket. Oh wow, we got snow on the ground. I'm gonna sign my name and hopefully not step on it on the way out. C4X I didn't leave myself enough room. O-R-E. Oh, that's janky as hell. Okay. Oops, sorry guys. There we go. Yeah, this would have been like one of the little, like windows, open air. Well, you know what I'm trying to say. This looks like, I'm not sure, this almost looks like it's been more like cut down or whatever since my last visit. Okay, we got the big empty parking lot. I'll tell you what, y'all, it is cold. And I think it's even colder back home. But I mean, it's further north, so yeah. I got Tagger area, Hannah Dog. Is that what that is? Huh. Not terrible. Okay. Yeah, this would have been a main second floor promenade. There. Okay. Now let's walk over here, folks. We kind of saw this from below, but I like this. This is a nice, chill little area. I say that while the cops are assembling their team. I, in a couple videos here recently, I got caught a couple times. No arrests, no drama. The police that I dealt with on my first random act of debauchery were very cool. They were more concerned about, my personal safety. They said, you got to be careful of all the obvious risks, And they said it really isn't a great neighborhood anyway. So, of course, I thanked them for checking up and, told them what I was doing. I was very forthcoming. And they said, well, I mean, if you want to hang out a little bit, you can, but, you'd probably be better off heading out as soon as you can. Which I did. I hung out for another like 5-10 minutes to get a few shots that I really wanted. And then went ahead and left, went to my next location where actually it was it was one of those where I kind of knew about it. Once I got in there, I thought it was this one Florida Explorer, James/Preston. But actually it was Jen Chenoweth, who I recently subscribed to, and I've really been calling you out a lot. Miss Jen. By the way, it might not be. Ow, fudge. Ow. There were so many more easier ways I could have done that. Wow, I got some remnants from squatters. I hope nobody's in here. I mean, just kind of a safety thing for me, but also because, out of respect, I mean, at somebody's home, it's, unfortunate that they have to live here. But, it's their place. They deserve privacy just like anybody else. Yeah, there's a ladder to the roof. Guys, I know I do this a lot. I'm going to have to decline that. I don't know. I mean, with the snow on the ground, and I know that parts of that roof are pretty questionable. Um, I can't. And it's pretty neat up there. I mean, there's some like where they had the ventilation and the chillers and everything up in the sheds on top of the roof, or at least from what I saw. Water heater. um, but yeah, what I was saying is January 21st is apparently is Jen's birthday. So those of you who are subscribed, you know, maybe send her some birthday wishes. She might, I don't know, she might post something. You know, I know she had some plans yesterday. Oh well, was that it? Maybe that was it. Okay, I thought it was funny. It was not as funny as I thought it was. But we got the Love Shop. But yeah, 1620 shiitake mushrooms plus Chick-fil-A. So yeah, this is what they would have had in here. Alpha Station. See, we got an electrical room. A brace door. Yeah, I think somebody's staying in there maybe. I'll leave their stuff alone. And, oh yeah, those are the doors I didn't want to crawl under earlier. Still don't. I've got my POE. There's the freight elevator. Up into the, not that high of a ceiling. See, oh yeah, we just saw that, didn't we? Okay, we're gonna come back out here. Yeah, so far on the agenda today, that ticking you hear is my flashlight. I have a hospital. I have high hopes for that one. I want to do that. Possibly a finishing plant. Not a huge explorer, but that one might be kind of cool if I can get in. Waterworks plant. Just kind of checking out the views, folks. Not much to see, really. Just a bunch of water puddles and stuff. But I do hope you enjoy this. You know, this is like the big liminal space. Kind of. I mean, you just imagine. And I remember malls. I mean, they still have some around, but back in the day, 1980s, 1990s, I mean, these things were the rave. I mean, everybody went to the mall. You had like all the shops everywhere. You know, you could buy anything from cutlery to xylophones. You know, they had, a lot of times they'd have like water features or little fun things. I know at Metro North Mall in Kansas City, they would have these little hot air balloons that would shoot up. They go up and down. There's a big pool of water. And they were pretty cool. Like anytime when I was a kid, you know, we'd be going to Kansas City. Back when I was in Maryville, they're like, we're gonna go to Metro North. Oh, I want to see the balloons. I want to see the balloons. And of course, you had a lot of, you know, like kids, younger kids, high school and whatnot, and probably some adults. You know, they'd go chill, hang out in the arcade or get a pizza or whatever, you know, just kind of meet up with your buddies. You always had like that kind of bland music playing, the Muzak. Oh, we got hellholes on the second floor. Let's see here. Let's see here. What is up here? guess that would have been a skylight. I had all the little plants and stuff, inside the mall. Oh, I just walked through a sunbeam. Oh, it got so bright. Okay. Yeah. You still see like the patterning in the floor. Let's see. What was this? Probably just another. This might have been more than likely not necessarily a public access space. It could have been a theater, maybe. I'm not going to go all the way down there though. Loading area, maybe. This could have been one of the anchors. Sears or JCPenney, one of the big department stores. Belk's. Let's see. Oh, did I come over and look at the skylight? We've already seen a couple of them, but they're kind of cool looking. There's a skylight. I want to say this place closed. Did I say this already? In the 90s or early 2000s. I think they still have the sign up outside. Yeah, there isn't much over here either. We got a doorway into the other realm. Back rooms. Oh, that leads out to where we just were. And this probably goes. This might have been like where the bathrooms were, maybe, or. Oh, we can go downstairs. I'm gonna go out the way I came. We'll go ahead and head back downstairs, guys. Probably gonna cut this off here in a second. Like I said, it's interesting, but it's kind of mundane, I guess. But I love my abandonments, and this is one that I never really filmed, and I've always wanted to. And I'll also tell you, this is pretty much what I expected. This is about, it hasn't really changed much. They put up some more, security measures as far as, chaining off the property and whatnot. But as far as like the big hole up front there, and the severe lack of decor, it was pretty well gutted the first time I came in. In fact, first time I did this mall, I drove up, parked, somewhere else. I didn't park on site. And, I got here, and the only way I could find in was like this, one of those roll-up steel doors. It had been cut off the track. So I squeezed myself in there, and I walked in, and it's pretty much what you're seeing now. It's this giant cavernous space. It was empty. I could hear a few sounds, which I think were birds. And I think I shot like a couple of pictures, and then I was like, nope. C4 don't want to play no more. It was just too intimidating. Sometimes that happens. Plenty of people tell me, I don't know how the hell you do this stuff alone most of the time. And honestly, I don't either. But yeah, some places it's not even really a bad feeling. It's not like, you kind of expect certain things to possibly happen. And sometimes you get that intuition. It's like when I was at the dog track, and I knew there was somebody there. I just knew. I just got that feeling. I started hearing noises, and then all of a sudden that car alarm went off. And fortunately, I mean, it kind of ended badly as far as I didn't get to explore the rest of the place. But fortunately, it wasn't like, some angry squatter or somebody with really bad intent. Okay, we'll go down these stairs here. Yeah, this space here would have been all stores, most likely. You have your little kiosk booth set up. Get your face on a hat. February 17th, 2019. Why, that's C4 Explorer's birthday. If y'all plan on getting me something, just make sure you get me the same thing you got me last year, but in a different color. Alright. Okay, folks. Make our way back down. But yeah, I don't know what it was about this place. Probably just because it's so big and dark, And you just get that. I mean, people aren't, acclimated to go into I don't know, maybe that's not true either. I mean, it's just not something normal, I guess. I don't know. Especially when you don't really know what's going on, in a place, whether it be a cave or, whatever. Let's see, is there anything down there? I know we got that still water trend going on, so here's some still water. Let's see. I really like that staircase. I think that's cool. Give you a nice piano shot there. All right, folks. We're almost at 30 minutes. It's not bad. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. I want to thank y'all for watching. And I want to thank you for your comments and your subscriptions and, everything you do to support my channel. Of course, go check out other channels too. Like I've mentioned a lot of them, especially on this trip. Check out other stuff and, just enjoy it. And, I hope everybody gets through the rest of the winter safely and, in good health. And we got a lot of weird things going on in the world right now or in our country. Wildfires and snowstorms and hurricanes and everything else, and, I keep saying, I just hope we can all weather through it and do the best we can with what we can't control and, take control to make things better. That we can do the best we can to cope. Anyway, I always do it, don't I? I'm glad I went on. All right, guys, this has been C4 Explorer, the abandoned Regency Mall in Georgia. Y'all have a great day. Thank you again. And I will see you on the next adventure. Goodbye.